Hi guys, welcome to this video. In today's video, we are going to be talking about fundamental analysis. If you are just joining us for the first time, this is Oka's Masterclass, and in this channel, all we do is crypto trading and tutorials. So today, I promise you guys I'm going to do the video for fundamental analysis in crypto. So sit down and wait behind and listen attentively to this tutorial. So guys, what is fundamental analysis? Fundamental analysis is a method of evaluating a crypto asset or a coin in an attempt to measure its essential value by examining related economic, financial, and qualitative factors. Fundamental analysis studies anything that can affect the coin value, such as industry conditions and microeconomic factors, such as financial conditions, company management. The end goal of a fundamental analysis is to produce a qualitative value that an investor can compare with other coins price in market. So fundamental analysis is like anything that can give a coin value, anything that make this coin authentic, anything that can make a coin essential. That's fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis gives anything that can, let me put it this way, anything that can increase coin's price. That's a fundamental analysis. So I hope you guys understand the meaning of fundamental analysis right now. So now let's go. What gives a coin or a crypto value? One is the development team, the roadmap of the asset. The development team means like the developers, the people that created this token, the people that created this coin, and who are these people. All these things can give a coin value. The security of the crypto asset. What does this mean? Like the security of this asset. How secured is this asset? Is it a coin that once it enters my wallet, it will start missing, or some hackers will penetrate into my wallet and take all the cryptos? How strong this coin is? So that is the security of the crypto asset. Coin supply and coin market cap. That's what I told you guys. If you watch my previous video what I did about coin market cap, I said coin supply. Coin supply gives a coin value. It's just like our normal demand and supply. You understand? When there are much demand, much supply in the market, the price will reduce. But when the supply is lower, the price will increase. This also affects in crypto markets. When a coin has a low supply, the market will increase. Also the coin market cap, depending on how valued this coin is. Coin market cap also gives a coin value. How many people are buying this coin, the circulating supply of this coin, and so on. Continuous updates about the asset on a new development. You understand? Continuous update. You keep checking. For you to make a good fundamental analysis about a coin, you have to check them daily, or not daily, weekly. Follow them on many of their social media handles to know what is this company doing new, what is this token doing new, what is this project doing new. Are they where are they investing, on which platform are they? Have they created their own exchanges or this? All these things are continuous exchange updates. Then we go to Branding and strategy of the coin. Branding and strategy of the coin. You see, when you see a good company that has a good branding, that has a good strategy in making their brands, like you will see that they will have a lot of sales. You understand? So this aspect also comes in place in crypto. Before you invest in any coin, you have to check the branding of this coin. You have to check the branding of this token. Okay? Then the history. History this history plays a big role when it comes to crypto fundamental analysis. What has this coin did in the past? What has this coin did in the past? How many people have purchased this coin in the past? Okay, all these things gives a coin value. Application on the industry. So application on the industry gives a coin pretty big value. Like there is a coin that just migrated from ERC-220. No, they migrated from one network to ERC-20. All these things is application on the network. And once this type of thing happens, the price of this token increase. So many of these tokens change from their network to another network, and all of these things is what gives a coin value. So we go on again. You said in fundamental analysis there are things that are needed to be used. Okay, while doing your fundamental analysis there are things you need to be used. Like these things I will list below are the things and places you need to visit while doing fundamental analysis. First one is what? CoinGecko. CoinGecko also plays a big role when it comes to fundamental analysis. CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap website. CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap website plays a big role when it comes to fundamental analysis. You understand? Like this, you should check my previous video. If you have not watched that video before, please go to this channel, click on the link below, and you will find the video I did about how to use CoinMarketCap. These things are what is called fundamental analysis. You understand? So the second one is Twitter. Twitter is a big, let me just call it a big marketplace when it comes to crypto sector. So any trader or an aspiring trader or any crypto investor, you must learn how to use your Twitter very well, because these are places where you find the big G's in cryptos. We have also crypto traders Telegram and WhatsApp. You have to keep checking once a token is launched or once they have announced their websites and all this. You have to follow them up on their Telegram channels and their WhatsApps. Many traders has WhatsApp groups where they give updates. Even me, I have WhatsApp group where I give updates about what is going on in the crypto space. Website of the crypto assets. Website of the crypto assets helps you in knowing the recent and the latest update about this coin. You have to know any coin you are investing on. You have to know their website. You have to visit their website regularly to know what is happening in these assets, the exchange that has listed this asset. Okay, first, when you see a coin, you have to check how many exchanges have listed this coin. You guys will remember last year when Binance listed Shiba. You see what happens to Shiba. The price of Shiba went to moon. When I say moon, it means the price of Shiba start rising. The price of Shiba rose to a higher level once the news about Binance listing it came to pass. So the exchange that lists a token also helps in the value of this token. So let's go on CoinGecko and I'll show you again how to use CoinGecko in making your fundamental analysis. So let's go. We might go here. CoinGecko, and so this is CoinGecko, guys. So while doing your fundamental analysis, you have to check this website, CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap. Why I'm using CoinGecko in this video is because I have did the previous video I did it on CoinMarketCap. So also to give you what you will use, like when doing this thing. If CoinMarketCap is not working, this website also is what you can use in making your fundamental analysis. So let's go on Bitcoin. You can see Bitcoin is trading price at $37,000 with a 1 hour increase rate of 0.9%, 24 hour of minus 1.8%, 7 days at 2.9 positive percent. So you can see the 24-hour trading volume of Bitcoin is at 14 billion and a market cap of 707.4 billion. So these things also gives you the whole thing you need to know about Bitcoin, whether this coin is doing well or not. Let's go and visit Bitcoin website. So when you want to do your fundamental analysis, first you click on the assets and you scroll down. While scrolling down, you will see that the overview of this asset. You will see the circulating supply of this asset. You will see the total supply of this asset. You will see the max supply of this asset. And you will also see the websites of this asset. See, here is the website of Bitcoin. This is the website of Bitcoin, and the Facebooks, what's happening, their Twitter handles, everything. You can find them here. The developers of this asset, you can find them here. So all these things is what you need to do while making your fundamental analysis. When you comes down, you will see the exchanges that are trading Bitcoin the most as of right now. Bitcoin market, you can see FTX.US is trading Bitcoin. They have the most value in 24 hours. So Bitfinex and many other exchanges. Let's go Bitcoin website. From here you can go to Bitcoin website and see the latest trends that is happening in the site, the new things that they are doing in the site. All these things is what is called fundamental analysis, because when in crypto, if you are making your fundamental analysis and when you do only technical analysis without fundamental analysis, there are some fundamental things that will come to play in an asset that will decrease the price of that asset or increase the price of that asset, no matter what your fundamental technical analysis says. So this is also an essential part in this crypto space. So this is, you can see the resources, the introductions, individuals, how Bitcoin works, how does Bitcoin works, the basic for the new users. These are what you need to be checking. Someone don't need to do everything for you. All you need is support of Bitcoin. You can read all these things and know the fundamental basis of this asset. And let's go back and I will show you this is about Bitcoin, right? So the innovation in this asset, this is innovation in the payment system. So all these things give to a coin value. You have to know how to check crowdfunding. What are these people doing lately? What is the latest thing they are doing? Because it is their latest thing they are doing is what will give this coin a value. Then let's go on to, okay, we go back and we go back to CoinMarketCap. So you can see the blockchain transaction on what is going on BTC, because all these things is very important. There are some coins that you may visit your blockchain and nothing is happening there. All Bitcoin charts and nothing is happening there. This is circulation, this is inflation, all that. So let's go on the second one, which we have here, Twitter. How can we use Twitter in fundamental analysis? Twitter plays a big role when it comes to fundamental analysis. As a crypto trader, you need to know how to use your Twitter very well. So this is my Twitter. You see, CZ Binance also just tweeted, the opposite of a good idea can also be a good idea. You see, all these people are the OGs in crypto space. You have to follow many of them. Coinbase NFT. These are, let's keep woman lead projects on the, you see many things that are happening in the crypto space. So you see Shiba. So let's just assume I want to check what's happening on Shiba. I'll type Shiba and I'll search. You see, in the last 24 hours, but also remember to note, don't just follow all the trend in Twitter, because there are some people that may tell you, oh, this is a new coin, invest in this, buy this, buy that, buy this. No, you have to use your own brain to know what's happening and to know how you can choose what you do. You cannot just follow all trend. You have to know, check. Mostly, if you want to do all these things, you have to follow. Most important, you have to follow the real social media handle of this coin. Let's assume this one is for Shiba. This is Shiba token. This is their social media. This is their Twitter handle. They have 2.7 million followers. They are only following 5. This is how you know them. And you see, their latest tweet, they said, as promised, we are so excited to announce that our first special surprise for the year, Shiba Army. In 2022, we are reaching new heights and welcoming the Shiba Reads, an immersive experience for our ecosystem and the metaverse space. You see, this is just giving you what they are doing recently in their own space. So you see their tweets, you check their tweets, because what they do, and some of the, you guys remember Elon Musk? Sometimes Elon Musk will tweet about Doge. He will tweet about Doge, and you will see Doge will start going high. So let me just check some of the Elon Musk posts about Doge, and you will see sometimes he will tweet about, I'm accepting Doge as a legal payment to buy any of my products, and you will see Doge will start going up in price. These are one of the fundamentals of that coin. So let's check. There is a new development in Polygon Matic. These people. So there was a new development in this token, and this thing is going to make this go high in a short period of time. You see, looking to kickstart your Web3 journey? ATH Global presents Road to Web3 Hackathon. You see, win prizes worth 250k, all this blah 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 blah. So you have to follow the trend and know what's happening in a crypto asset, bros. Okay, so then the next thing we have, this is about Twitter. You have to know how to use Twitter very well. First thing I do when it comes to Twitter is any token I have, any token I'm holding for the, let's assume for 1 year or for 6 months, any token I intend to hold, I will go and follow them on Twitter. I will go and follow them on Twitter. I will follow them on Telegram. If they even have WhatsApp also, I follow. Why I follow Twitter? Don't do anything about don't follow on Facebook and all, because those places you have many scammers out there, bro. But here on Twitter you can see their main handle. You can follow them like this. I just followed one. If I want to follow, I unfollow. You understand? I unfollow. If I want to follow again, I follow. Like this. So you followed any token you are holding, you follow them and see the latest trend. If something bad happens to the token and if they announce that this thing is happening to them, you go and sell. But if they have a new trend, you keep holding your token so that you will know when the price will move up or will come down. Very important, guys. So next one we have here is a Crypto Traders Telegram and WhatsApp. I have said this one before. You have to follow. Sometime you have to follow. You have Binance, Maxius Africa. Most of you are not there. You have to follow Maxius Africa. You have to follow Binance Nigeria. You have to follow many of them there, so that you will be seeing many traders, where many traders come together and rub minds together and tell you what is happening in the crypto space. Very important. Chatting groups in crypto helps also, because some coins you will get to know that this is happening and this coin has been launched and so and that. Also, website of the crypto asset. I have showed you before the website of the crypto asset, the Bitcoin. You follow the website before you invest on any website. You have to go and check any coin. You have to go and check their website to know what they have there, and also the exchanges that have listed the token before. For you to know the exchange that have listed any token before, what you will do is just like now we see and we check on Bitcoin. Let's go on a new listed token and let's recently added, and we come here, we see this token, more token. You see more token, right? Then for you to know how many exchanges that have listed this token, you check here. You can see it only on Trader Joe. Only Trader Joe has listed this coin. So if you want to take the risk, you go on Trader Joe and buy the coin. If you want to wait, let other exchange also list, then you can wait and see the exchange that will be listing this. Okay, so this is how my battery is running down. So guys, this is what we have to tell you, what I have to tell you about fundamental analysis. Is about checking the update and trend in a token and what is happening new in the token. That's its fundamental analysis, nothing else. You have been hearing it before. People are saying it, fundamental analysis, fundamental that, fundamental this. This is all about fundamental analysis. So I wish you well in your trading journey and make money. Let's enjoy life. There is nothing in this life than enjoyment. Just make money and enjoy yourself. Finish. Thank you for watching this video. Like, subscribe, comment. All these things gives me hope in making other videos. When you watch finish, you like, you comment, you subscribe. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.